Hi, welcome back to Rally Let's Say tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will be taking us through how to use and create tags. At first, I will start with the importance of tags. Tags are very essential to us in the company as it also indicates the department working on that particular project. Now, if you go over here, you can see tags. This particular project shows how to conduct a meeting. Now, this is basically for admin department. This is what it is about. This is meeting. So it's obviously going to have a tag called meeting. And also, this is also a training for future persons or people coming to join the admin team. However, if you feel like you want to include the human resource to this, you can click on this and then you add human resource. This is a way to use your tags. Tags are very important. Whenever there is a task given to you, ensure that you have tags in those tags. However, I will also be telling you how to create tags just in case the tag you need isn't there. So you click on this and you go down to search. Now this pops up, and now you've noticed all the different tags has different colors indicating different departments and different importance to these tags. Now to create a new tags, however, you go here, you click on new. Now you put the tag name that you want. So for instance, I want to say trainings, or maybe I would say food, okay, just for this tutorial purpose. And now I go ahead to pick the color I want. So I want to have green for these tags. And I will click on save. Note, this tag has now been created. So now if I should delete this from here and I click on this again, I see food. Ensure that once you're done creating your tags or creating any single document, ensure that you click on save. And now this my document is saved. I hope this tutorial was very useful and very explanatory for you. I hope this tutorial was very useful, and yeah, see you. I hope this tutorial I hope this tutorial was very useful. Okay guys, see you in my next. I hope this tutorial was very useful. Thank you very much and see you in my next tutorial.